I want to thank Tammy Roman for being so brave and still praying for others, which you should. But the strength that she showed with tears in her eyes, the prayer that she gave. You know what she said? She said, God don't make no mistakes. That's what she said. Thank you, Tammy Roman, for being brave. Thank you for being brave, for being strong. Thank you.
I'm sitting in my trailer, just trying to keep it together, because I know I gotta go and perform today. Like everything is okay. And everything I've been working so hard for to give my children just ripped away in an instant. But I just wanted to offer prayers up for you and your situation, and sending love and light your way. And thank you to Elijah Cohen for coming into my trailer and praying for me and with me. And everybody just be strong. And to all my family and friends, Greta and Pat, looking out for my child, Jazz. And know that God makes no mistakes. But I just wanted to offer, and whatever you're going through, it's a reason for this season. And just keep your head up. Continue to stay in prayer. And know that on the side, per usual, things will be greater.